Hi there, Lucy here from NP Gaming Hub, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and activate Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus using your 25-digit product key, step by step. First, open your browser and go to setup.office.com. Click on Get Started. Once you're on this page, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, click Create an Account and enter a new email address. Click on Next, then enter your password on this page. Make sure the password has at least 8 characters. Click on Next, set your country, and enter your date of birth. Next again, then enter your full name and press Enter. After signing in, you'll see a box where you can enter your 25-character product key. You'll find this key in your email, retail box, or wherever you bought Office from. Carefully type in the key. 5 groups of 5 characters. Then click Next. Now, choose your country and language. Finally, click on Redeem. You can choose among 32 and 64-bit versions of Office. After you click on Download, save officesetup.exe on your hard drive. After the download finishes, open the installer file. If prompted, allow it to make changes to your device. Office will now begin installing. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system. Sometimes, when you open Office for the first time, it might ask you to enter your product key again. But don't worry, that's completely normal and doesn't happen to everyone. Once installed, open any Office app, like Word or Excel. Sign in with your Microsoft account and make sure it's the same account that you used earlier for downloading Office. Once signed in, your copy of Office will be activated. To view activation details, click on your profile, then select Office User Info. And there you have it. Office 2021 is up and running, ready to help you get things done. Don't have a product key for Office yet? Contact NP Prepaid Team and get your Office license today. And if this video helped, drop a like, maybe even subscribe if you're feeling generous. Catch you in the next one. Peace.